SEDONA Grand Tower is one of our high-end service apartment, 5-star. We are looking at a very luxury and some special design for the grand lobby where you're standing now. With this, the cloud ceiling is one of our special factor, wow factor, to contribute for the whole ID design. Right?
This project with KEPPEL was very challenging because we have to do in a very short time the design and the manufacturing and after the installation.
So we work with the architect DWP to make their original concept happen.
ELEK is our contractor who carry on this cloud ceiling and also provide us a service for the lighting design for the wow factor like what you see now. We are happy with that. So far, it's make the whole ID very luxury, very new compared with the rest of the project we have done.
For the shape, we work to make it visually understandable. So after we could choose a fabric made of a white color and a very thin mesh. This thin mesh allows the light to go through it and make the installation brief. About the lighting, we are using two colors, the warm and natural white. The warm white is used for the nighttime and the natural white for the daytime. So finally, the installation brings curves and movement in this very large lobby area.
When we see the result, we are very proud. The quality of the light is there, the shape is very nice, and we want to develop this kind of project in Vietnam, of course, but also in different countries in Asia for the coming year, and we still are very confident to find different projects like this.